don't play as hard as I used to. Work relentless in these spacey ways. I saw the sign I'm coming through. Forget a situation, mate, I'll draw a line under you. Fuck jokes in the morning, off and puff smoke. Sitting by a blank page, lost in porn on my coke in a crunk pose. And I wanna got enough quotes off the top. I jump flows, performing broad brush strokes. Very loveless, perusing every surface, nook and crevice. On you looking nervous, munching your verse for luncheon. Let the circus moving loose in your circumference. Every pseudonym is surplus when the truth you vent is worthless. Murders when I move a pain, I'm losing them. Oh hell, it's you again. I chew my flame with a renewed sense of purpose. Spit it on the canvas for before the minds to pick apart. And ripping all these bastards with subtle lines they missed at the start. Try being modest bastards. I'm writing honest chapters on the parodical madness of all you moronic arses. Metaphorical carcass, not a logical harness. What you're calling gallus, I'm calling us all performing artists. You love men's tennis, who model is Dennis? I bet you've got a cat called Arnold. Geek step back cause of Loki in the basement, shaking like Muhammad Ali in a social situation. That was so amusing, what a wonderful intrusion. Man, I'm so cool, the lads are so enthused by my open delusion. Mate, I break for the conventions, a debilitate lyricist, natural conclusions. Shake like my leg when I have a piss. Hit or miss, I facilitate written scripts at a quicker rate than any in this crimson mist of a wilderness. My gist is something many can't perceive. I'm relieved by a sample wrapped up in a beat. My belief has carried me like leaves on an autumn breeze. To subtract what I need for what my ego wants to receive. Sorry summer, maybe next time we can shoot the breeze. Till then bummer, my existence is punctuated by disappointment. However, my strength and resilience is unwilling to voice it. Like a rabbit in the headlights, I'm caught in the gaze of truth. There's no way to save the youth, but I'm no annoyed. Pragmatism dictates the point of life to put a smile on a grim kid's face. It's the little things that really make a change. So save your talking shop philosophies for a rainy day. I've been here living life in all its awesome complexity. Why you not respecting me off the record? I get hot tempered when I feel that awful sense of setting way. Intellectual pepper spray when you condescend to me. I slowly delve into a nonsensical self-hate, overwhelmed by the consequence of empathy. I'm not depressed, I guess I taught myself I like my life. And now I have to learn to bite my time, bite my tongue, and accept until the shining light of which my soul will lightly can find it. Nothing's ever gonna happen with these rhymes I write. Maybe I'll pen comics, end up jobless, a novice who became a young man with so much promise. Through the minds he became truly humanized, to look through the lies you devised, like seeing stars through a blue sky. I'll tell my grandkids I was wild, crack a half smile, Loki, Dandelion child.